In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart your Acer laptop. This is super simple, but if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this is going to work the exact same way on any Acer laptop running Windows. Essentially, go to the either bottom left corner or the bottom middle corner of your taskbar, and you're going to see a little Windows icon on here. Go ahead and select it, and then you're going to see a power icon on here as well. Select that and select restart, or maybe even update and restart. Choose one of these two options, and it'll go ahead and restart that laptop. Now, if the power option isn't showing up or the menu isn't responding, there is another option for you. Essentially, go ahead and right click on this Windows icon, go to shutdown or sign out, and then you're going to see that same options, either restart or update and restart. Once again, choose one of those options. Now, say your laptop is completely frozen or unresponsive, you can actually still perform a hard restart. Essentially, locate the physical power button on your laptop and press and hold it for about 15 seconds. The screen's going to turn completely black, which means the laptop has shut down. And once it's fully powered off, just wait about 1 minute and then press that power button again to turn that laptop back on. And that is it. That is how you can go ahead and restart your Acer laptop. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.